In this video tutorial, we will learn how to remove the red underlining in Microsoft Word. The red underline in Word indicates spelling or grammar mistakes. While helpful, it can sometimes distract you, especially when using specific terminology or language variations, such as British or American English. Here are 3 easy ways to remove the red underline. First, you can quickly address specific words. Right-click the underlined word. Choose Ignore to remove the underline for this instance, or Add to Dictionary to permanently prevent Word from marking the word as an error in the future. Second, you can disable spell check completely. Click the File tab. Select Options, then choose Proofing. Uncheck the boxes for Check Spelling as you type and Mark Grammar Errors as you type. Disabling these options will remove all red underlines immediately. Third, you can customize the proofing settings to your preference. Click File, then Options. Select Proofing and click Settings. Adjust settings to customize which errors Word flags, including grammar, style, or punctuation errors. Removing the red underline helps you maintain focus or achieve a clean, professional look in your document. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a like. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button for more tutorials to master Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.